All right, guys, we made it out to Freedom Factory, and we are going to be number 12 in the Danger Ranger. So they handed out numbers this year. We weren't able to actually pick them, but hey, we got number 12. And yeah, I think we're pretty much ready. We're going to leave the old tires that we had on from before for the qualifying laps, because we need to qualify. I don't know exactly top, but they're going to split up the classes from an A to a B class. So we want to make sure that we're in the A class. That way we don't have to run 90 laps. So yeah, we're gonna leave those on because they are worn down pretty good, should be pretty sticky. And then I think for the 60 laps, we're gonna swap them over. But yeah, let's see.
All right. Obviously, the goal of this race is to not have anyone get hurt, just have fun. We got a bunch of Rangers. They're obviously dangerous machines. You guys know how powerful they are. We're here to have a good race. We don't need any crazy wrecks. Obviously, I think last year we had 3 rollovers. Let's try to avoid rollovers the best we can.
Let's go. Guys, so I think the announcers were announcing it wrong, but they said like the top 10 was the only ones going to the A main, but it's actually the top 20. So we qualified 15th with a 20.2, and that car just started. But we'll be going to the A main since we were 15th, and yeah, so the rest of the Rangers will battle it out for the top 10 positions and come to the A, and then we'll be back out there racing. So we got 30 laps, and then we go. All right, guys, so I just wanted to slide this in the video. I had the 360 cam on the truck, and it hurts me so much to say that it didn't record. But at least the guys were on the sidelines. Everybody helped out and got some footage from the sidelines. So I'll slide that in here, and you guys will see that.
Breathe, you're scaring me. The vein was popping out of your forehead. You guys having a good time down here? Isn't this an awesome turn? This is one of my favorite seats because you're right at turn 1 and they're coming like fast right through here. So, you guys like sitting down here by the action?
dent. Hit pretty hard when he pit maneuvered me. Sent me into the grass. But this was old damage, and I think that was the only real damage on the car, besides maybe a few things here. A little bit of a scratch there, and then something hit the windshield extremely hard. And also, next time we get spun and we're not in the lead lap anymore, I'm passing the freaking caution truck, whether they say so or not, because we're getting back on that lead lap. That was some BS, but hey, it's car racing. And on a good note, coming home with 2 running hot rods, so we'll be ready to go for the next one. Next FL2K, we'll come back swinging. We got burnout trucks coming. We got all kinds of stuff, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so that was the Danger Ranger. Fortunately, I think number 5 ended up spinning us out and then got us in the infield. I really thought the truck was going to roll, but luckily we got into the grass. And then I guess we were a lap down from that point. I thought since he caused a caution that they would bring me right back up to the top, but apparently not. And then from that point on, we were a lap down, so we were pretty much out of it. But it was still a ton of fun. Truck is still in one piece, ready to race again next year. So yeah, that was Danger Ranger. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Tell your friends.